Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangmah Negasngih Nyotrik Yayong, ulapan bena ya ka song pisa ka bakat san kelur na ke benta bante ya ka Indigenous Cultural Center Hamaukar. Ya ka New Chief Minister ulapan bena ha ka sngi penkut ya ka Syat Suk Mensim, ba lai sngi bala penlong da ka sengkhas dikmi Hamadan Waking. Habakran Syakilat Pathai Kubor, Chief Minister Ulaong, kumbangi jupen pau halor ke jingdon kam ban penek pensa bat ban kentiu ya ki kolshor bat ki riti dustur tenrai kumtangi don kamru ban don ya ka Indigenous Cultural Center. Hau benai jamang uban wan ngin bu no ya umau nong rem na ka benta ka ni ka jingtai balamang da ka sorkar ha ka jinglut ka bakat san klur. Ngila dei ban bu mentau benai henrei kumba baro ngiyatib kamlong ka bayahap mentau benai kumtangi lapen kendriak no ula benram. Konrad Ulaong ru ba usngo kumen shibun bana kaliang ka sorkar ha ka bakhadu kalala ban penurlong ya kini ke jingdawa ka bala slam jong ka sengkhasi. Ulaong ru bana kaliang ka sorkar ru ka ai ke jing krishan ka bapura na ka benta bante ye ki jingtei bopher ki baya dei ka kolshor kata nadu ki jingtei ki bahe hadu ki bakhamret. Nalor kata ola benrap ru ba kini ke Indigenous Cultural Center Hamaukar kan dei ka projek ya ka ba onte da ka ba pensyong nong rem janai katkum ke jing start technology ka bamta. Ha ka ju ka por Konrad Ulaong ru ba udon ya ka jing ngau shimet jong una ka benta ban shnapan bah ya ka madan bat ban penhe ya ka jaka syong pait ba namar la sakhi ru ya ka jing wan tu jong kinong wan jungok kai perthei na keleng syakni ka madan ban sakhi ya kini ka syat ka kemanten rai. Halor kani ke benta Ulaong ba unsa ya kran bat kinong penyat jong ka sengkhasi kemi. Dangshan ngaladon ha ka thain karbi bat ngalapen bena ya ka song jingerap ka basan pholang na ke benta bante ya ka Cultural Center. Nalor kata ngalapen bena ru ka jingerap na ke benta ki jai benrew rabha ki coach bat hajong ula benrap da ka bakula ru ba na kaliang ka sorkar kandang ya beteng ban ajing kershan ya baru ki kenhun jai benrew ha ka jing penek pensa ya ki riti dustur bat ki kolshor bopher.
As we have always stated that the cultural aspect of our traditions needs to be preserved and needs to be promoted, and it is in line with that thought process that we are having the Indigenous Cultural Center. Approximately about 15 crores has been sanctioned for it, and by next month we should be laying the foundation. We thought we'll lay this month itself, but as we all know that April is not a very auspicious month, and so we'll be doing it in the month of May. But we're very happy. It's been a long pending demand from our community of the Sengkhasi to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this. And it's not just here. For many other communities, we are supporting and putting up different cultural centers, from larger ones to even a small centers. Like recently I was in Karbi area, and there also I have announced 50 lakhs for their cultural center. I have given the Raba community also, the Koch Hajong community. So different communities that are there which are working towards preserving their culture. The government is more than happy to support and work with them in their endeavor to preserve the culture of the people of our state.
The building will be renovated.
No, this is a new project altogether. There might be some parts of renovation also, but this is a new project altogether. We want it to be very interactive. We want it to be very technology based. So I hope that it will become a good project. But at the same time, I have my personal opinion is that even this field, the wedding field, has to be also renovated. I feel that this has got its own significance, and a lot of tourists are coming here. So therefore, the sitting areas can be easily expanded, and more space will be created for the people who are participating in the dance. And so this is again something that I'm very keen to work on, and I will be speaking to the members of the organizing committee to help us and work together so that we can improve the overall infrastructure here in this wedding field also. you.